Hello, I'm Matt Williams, Innovation, Technology, and Commercialization Lead for PhD Incorporated. Today we're going to set up and operate a configured Flexion Gripper. If you still need help configuring your gripper, watch the unboxing and configuring Flexion video. The goal of this video is to empower you to employ this technology in your business. We've made the process as simple as possible, and we're sure that you will think so also. Let's walk through it together. This is a pneumatically powered gripper, so you'll want to adjust the air pressure that is supplying the gripper between 5 and 120 psi, depending on the weight of the object that you'll be gripping. The gripper features two clevises, one on either side, that connect the fingers to the hub. The clevises can be adjusted in position by loosening fasteners. You can see one on this side, which controls this group of fingers, and I have one on my side, which controls the other group of fingers. I'm using an Allen wrench to loosen that fastener, and with the fastener loosened, you can see that I can now rotate these fingers in and out, and I'm going to position the fingers so that they bound the object that we will be gripping. Having the proper grip plate is important for the success of the application. As you'll see in this example, we've chosen a convex grip plate to give the fingers something to push the item against. Depending on the specific application, a different grip plate may be required. Now let's go through the typical process of how to pick up an object. In this case, we'll be using a loose-filled bag. We have chosen an air pressure of 50 psi due to the very light weight of this particular item, and the sizing application has indicated that we could use fewer than 4 fingers, but we'll actually be using 4 fingers in order to spread the fingers far enough apart to properly bound the constraints of the item we'll be picking up. We've adjusted the clevises to spread the fingers so that the opening between the fingers is just slightly larger than the item that we'll be picking up. Today, for this example, we'll be using a UR5 robot with PhD's Pneu-Connect with URCap, adapting the gripper to the robot itself. The URCap is available to download on PhD's website. After installing the cap, you'll see a list of parameters on the screen. Configure these parameters based on the options that you've selected for your particular gripper. From there, you'll program the robot for your specific application. Although we're using a UR in this particular example, the gripper will work with any robot. That is the process of how Flexion can be commissioned for use at your facility. I hope you find it a new and innovative way to accomplish your application goals. If you need further assistance, please contact your PhD distributor and we'll get connected. Thanks for your interest in Flexion and PhD.